Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are doing well. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Dalia Sultana, an assistant teacher, National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take a computer class for class 3 students. Dear students, our today's topic short question. Our lecture 15, homework number 13, and today's also RW class, that means revision work. Lecture 15, homework 13, and our today's topic short question. So let's start our class. Question number 1. So before going to the class, so dear students, here are 11 questions, 1, 2, 3, 1 to 11 over there. This is the most important questions for your half yearly examination. Now start our class. Question number 1. Why is a computer called a smart machine? What can a computer do? Computers are very useful to us because they can do many things better than us. That is why a computer is called a smart machine. Here are few things a computer can do, such as work out sums, 2. Listen to music, 3. Draws and color pictures, and here are and and play games, 5. Send and receive messages, check the spelling of words. Here are full stop, put the full stop. Now question number 2. What makes a computer so useful? Our answer: computer has become very useful nowadays. There are many things that computer is so useful. It can remember much more than we can. Number 2. It does not make mistakes as we do. It can work much faster than us. Number 4. It can work out large sums in second. 5. It does not get tired or bored as we do. Now move on question number 3. What are the functions of the CPU? Answer: the CPU is the brain of the computer. It stores data and instructions. It makes all the parts of the computer work together. The CPU can do fast calculations. It helps the computer remember things. Now put the full stop. Now we are going to the question number 4. How many main parts of a computer? What are they? A computer has different parts. There are 4 main parts of a computer. There are CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit, monitor, keyboard and mouse. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next question number 5. Name the device that looks like a TV. What are the functions of the device? Our answer will be: the device name is a monitor that looks like a TV. The functions of this monitor are given below. Number 1. The screen of a computer is known as the monitor. Whatever we type on the keyboard gets displayed on the monitor screen. Number 3. The monitor is generally connected to the CPU by a wire. Number 4. We can see words, numbers, pictures and videos on the screen. Question number 6. What is the keyboard? Explain. Our answer: a keyboard is a device used for typing. It has many small buttons called keys. A keyboard has several different types of keys on it. For example, alphabet keys, function keys, number keys, space bar, enter key, arrow keys, shift key, etc. Space bar is the longest key on the keyboard. Now next question number 7. How can you open a window by using a mouse? For opening windows, we have to go through the following steps. Move the mouse to take the mouse pointer to the computer icon or any other icon. Step number 1 and 2. And double click on the icon. In this way a window opens. Now next question is 8. How can you drag and drop an icon on the desktop? And our answer: if you want to drag and drop an icon on the desktop, we have to go through the following steps. We have to bring the mouse pointer to the icon, 1, 2 and 3. Press the left mouse button and keep holding it while moving the mouse. Then release the button to drop the icon wherever we want to take it. Now put the full stop. What are the main parts of the Paint program? Or another It could be another question, how many main parts of paint program and what are they? Here answer is similar. Or answer, there are two main parts of the paint program such as the ribbon and the drawing area. Two main parts. The ribbon, there are many subsections in the ribbon. Subsection means division, labeled as a image, tool, brushes, shapes and colors. The drawing area. In the drawing area, here we can draw and color pictures. Now move on question number 10. Write down the steps of starting the paint program or how to start paint program. Our answer, the steps of starting the paint program are step 1, click on the start button. Step 2, take the mouse pointer to all programs. Step 3, on the list that appears, go to accessories. Step 4, click on paint, the painted screen appears. Now last question, question number 11. What is a computer device? Write 3 sentences about the mouse. The parts that together, T-O-G-E-T-H-E, together from the computer device are called computer devices. So 3 sentences about the mouse are given below. A mouse has 2 or 3 buttons. It may also have a scroll wheel. It is generally connected to the CPU by a wire and the mouse is moved on a pad called the mouse pad. And dear students, I hope you understood today's topic, and your homework will be homework number 13, short question from 1 to 1, 2 and 3. Homework 13, short question 1, 2 and 3 your homework. So do your homework properly and practice at your home. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.